Hi. If your file explorer is not responding, these are a few steps you can take to try to fix that issue. So the first step we want to do is right click on our task manager, and here where we see Windows Explorer, we want to right click and end task. Now when you end this task, you want to reopen File Explorer and see if it starts again. Sometimes the program just bugs out and the old restart always works. The next thing you can do is you can run a system file checker scan. Now how you do is you type in CMD in your search bar, you right click on the command prompt and you run as administrator. Now we just type in a command that's called sfc space scan now, and you click enter. This does a file scan of your PC and just looks if all the files that are supposed to be on your PC are on your PC for the appropriate pathing to take place to some of your programs and, for instance, File Explorer. I'm not going to let this run, but usually it takes a few minutes, and if you run it, it just checks and replaces all your files. So you have to just restart the computer after the file scan is done. The next step is File Explorer in itself has history, and sometimes that history can interfere with its performance. So what we want to do is, if you type in File Explorer here in the actual search, it will probably just give you File Explorer, but below the first next setting should be File Explorer options. If you don't see it there, I believe in the control panel, if we go large icons, there should be, File Explorer options. When you open this in the General tab, as you can see here, it says Clear File Explorer History. You can just go ahead and clear this, and after that, you can try to restart your PC and see if File Explorer will open now. The next solution is to try to change your display settings, because sometimes when the display settings, specifically this scale and layout, mine is on 200 because I'm on 4K resolution, but if you're just on a regular 1080p monitor, sometimes if your resolution is not set to 100%, the File Explorer will not show up on your screen. So just try to set this size and layout to 100%, or to whatever is recommended for your resolution of your monitor, and see if that fixes the issue. Again, if your PC is full, I'm going to open another instance of File Explorer. Now, as you can see, if I go to my PC, right now my games disk is almost full, but I have some space on my C disk. If this was not, like, if it didn't have any space at all, File Explorer sometimes doesn't have enough resources on your disk to actually run smoothly. So you do need to free up some space, or get a new disk, or find another way to get more storage space. And the last update, the most obvious one, is updating your Windows. So if you go to check for updates, I just typed in update. As you can see, I am up to date. You need to check for updates and update to the last version of Windows, because of course, if you're not up to date with your operating system, a lot of errors can be caused with a lot of the basic programs and functions of every operating system. I hope that helped, and I hope that solved your issue. Good luck.